day, mister. And I'm selling my Gently used toothbrush. Because I know, sir, you need this toothbrush para sa atong health and para po sa atong ngipon nga healthy, di ba? Pag healthy teeth, healthy life. Here's the reason why you should buy this my used toothbrush, because number one, it's in excellent condition. The bristles is still soft and affordable ra pud yung price kaysa magpayat og bag-o, mas mahalan. And ang ma-assure pud nako, sir, is dili ka magmaya ni sir, because I've taken care of this. That's why I'm selling this to you. And ma-appreciate na ako, sir, pagpaliton nimo. Thank you, sir, and Hazza.